Hey girlfriend, I'm gonna show you how to transform your thin and skimpy brows into on fleek and fabulous in a flawless minute. Well, more like 2 or 3, but you get my drift. Now, when we say thin and skimpy, what do we mean? Because we ain't talking about your bikini, okay? So, thin and skimpy describes brows that are barely there. You know, maybe it's because your hair is blonde and fine, or you just over-tweezed, or for some reason your hair just doesn't grow. Fret not, we got you. For thin and skimpy brows, your go-to is Gimme Brow. It's basically the little black dress of brow products. It tints, it fills, it does everything for your barely there brows. How does it work? It gives your thin and skimpies volume. Think about it. For years, people have added volume to their hair. You've added volume to your lashes. People even add volume to their lips. You know what I'm talking about. But now, for the first time ever, you can add believable volume to your eyebrows. Here's how it works. Hold the micro wand loosely in your hand and begin at the start of your brow and make short pressing strokes. Now, keep making these short pressing strokes as you move the wand slowly and gently all the way through the end of your eyebrow. Now, what's great about Gimme Brow is it's buildable. You want more? You go back, you add volume where you need it. The magic of Gimme Brow is how it sticks to the hair and the skin. So if you want to add definition or fill in a bare spot, use that little tapered wand just to tap a bit of Gimme Brow into the places that you need it, then simply blend away. Okay, some of you thin and skimpy gals want more definition to shape and define your brows, so I'm going to show you something so simple, so easy, it can only be described as goof-proof. No, seriously, goof-proof brow pencil is our new shaping and filling pencil that's so easy, we had to call it goof-proof. Take a look at the tip. It was designed in 2 ways, the wide base to fill and shape the brow and that narrow tip to add more definition or length. Step 1, you want to fill and shape the brow. Hold the pencil so the wide base is actually touching the start of your brow. Then, begin making short, light strokes in the direction your hair grows all the way to the arch. Where your brow gets a bit more tapered, turn the pencil and then just use that narrow portion of the tip and make those short, light strokes to fill in the end of your brow. Now, don't work against Mother Nature. She'll come at you. You want to work in the direction of the hair growth. Now, to give your brows more definition in places like your arch, or your base of your brow, or maybe even at the end, you want to use this narrow tip and you're going to make those short little strokes again just to add a bit more structure. Okay, and just like any other makeup routine, you always want to blend. This is going to give your brow that nice, natural wash of color by removing any excess product and leaving your brow soft and natural. But how do I do that? We've attached a spoolie. You simply take that and blend it from the start to the arch to the end. Okay, now, for a transformation that is nothing short of magic, BROWVO Conditioning Primer. BROWVO is filled with soy and keratin proteins to help your thin and skimpy brows look healthier, thicker, and fuller. But here's the trick. This is a one-click wonder. Seriously, 1 click is all you need, and you simply swipe this across the brow hair and the skin. The only thing you need to know is if you're using it as a primer, you wanna let it dry completely. What can you do? You can practice your favorite karaoke song, get a cup of coffee, whatever. Just let it dry completely. Then apply any brow product that you're using and it'll lock on the color all day long. You ready for a real beauty bonus? You can wear this overnight so BROWVO works its magic while you sleep. All right, you heard it here first. 3 simple ways to transform your thin and skimpies into full-figured beauties.